I did this with a lot of y'all before. Describe one simple chemical test to distinguish. It's called distinguishing test. Remember what are the few things I told you before? A distinguishing test must be very fast to conduct, easy to set up and conduct. Number two, it must be observable such that the two reactants or the two compounds give you very distinct observation. Remember that? All right, we talked about that before. 1, 2. Okay, so let's take a look over here. First one. Now, a lot of people can't do this question. No, they don't know how to do. They can't memorize. But because they are very, very poor in nomenclature. Can you see? Which is your chapter 1. They're basic. They don't focus on it. They just want shortcut. And that's where they get in trouble. The whole question they get 0. Because they cannot draw. Cannot draw means cannot compare. Because you got no functional group to look at. Okay? So butane 2-ol looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your butane 2-ol. So if I look at it and count from the right, this is my butane 2-ol versus 2-methyl butane 2-ol, which is butane 2-ol with a methyl at position number 2. Okay, so the question is, are you fast enough? Now, you don't have to tell people what's the reaction, but you need to tell people what's the reagent condition. Anyone would like to very fast tell me what can you see to differentiate them? So we add something, do something, a certain condition, one gives you a certain result, one don't have, or a different result. Anyone? This is a secondary alcohol. This is a tertiary alcohol. Yes, everyone? So test number 1, done. Very good. We use an oxidizing agent. So you add acidified KMnO4. I think K2Cl2O7 may work also, right? But since I'm going to oxidize, I just use the strongest one. Agree with me? It's safer, all right? Add this, and that's it, right? Heat. Okay, the next one is, by right, we heat under reflux, right? So I want you to copy this down. I told some of you before. Follow me closely, huh? Strike off this. I want you to do the same thing I'm doing right now. Because you don't need the U to be high. Everyone agree with me? You want to just say, hey, you are who, and the other, you are who, or who are you? You don't need high U. Okay, so write this down. Do not need high U. Because some of the examiner, your lecturer, will mark you wrong if you write heat under reflux. You can argue with them, but the notes have what? Yeah, but the notes is assuming getting high U. Are you with me? This is not a reaction to get high U. This is a distinguishing test. Okay, so point number 3, copy down, which is this. Heat under reflux, kind of thingy, chop it off, and tell yourself, no need high U. 3 points, I think that will solve all your distinguishing tests. So we are not done yet. So what will you see for, can I call it 1 and 2? All right, 1, KMO4 is used up, so purple solution decolorize, or decolorization of purple solution. Number 2, no reaction, purple solution remains. Anyone manage to find a second reaction for me? Second test? Remember, there's a lot of reaction for certain organic compound, but it doesn't mean that everyone you can use, because some of them you can't see. That's why in my notes, we have the word called observation, which you need to remember. And the moment don't remember, never mind, use the notes. All right, don't go memorize. You'll get used to it after doing a few more questions. Ladies and gentlemen, we can use triiodomethane test. Okay, so here we go. Let me show you where's the triiodomethane test. All right, number 1, if you look at it, does it have triiodomethane? I think it does. Then this is the group you want. Correct? There is a hidden H here, where this is a CH3. You get what you need for triiodomethane test. whereas the other one don't have. Am I okay? So test number 2 that I can use to differentiate them. Add aqueous iodine with sodium hydroxide. You warm it or heat it. 1, it happens, so I get triiodomethane, which is a yellow precipitate upon cooling. Correct, everyone? Always come out on this question. All right, you don't need to wait. I told you already. Number 2, no yellow PPT.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.